Hello dear students, I am Dr. Chandrakala HT. In this video, under the topic application layer, I'll be teaching you one more application layer protocol, the simple mail transfer protocol, or in short, we call it as SMTP. The simple mail transfer protocol is a set of communication guidelines which allows the users to transmit emails over the internet. It's a program which is used for sending messages to other computers by making use of the email addresses. The SMTP provides for mail exchange between users on the same or different computers. It allows a user to send a single message to one or more recipients. Using SMTP, you can send varieties of messages like text messages, voice messages, video messages, or even graphics. This protocol allows the user to send messages on the same network or outside the network. The main purpose of SMTP is to provide communication rules between servers. In SMTP, the servers have a way to identify themselves and also to choose what kind of communication they are trying to perform. The SMTP also allows the servers to be capable of handling errors like incorrect email addresses. Now coming to the components of SMTP. SMTP is also a client-server based protocol. This is the block diagram of SMTP showing its components. SMTP has two main components, the SMTP client and the SMTP server, which are connected through the internet. The SMTP client in turn contains two components, the mailing user agent and the mail transfer agent. Similarly, even the server will have a user agent and the mail transfer agent. The user agent prepares the message, creates an envelope, and encloses the message in the envelope. The mail transfer agent will transfer this envelope containing the mail over the internet to the server. The SMTP not only allows a simple message transfer as shown in the previous picture, it also allows a complex system where in case there is no direct connection between the client and server, if there are intermediate nodes, then the mail can be relayed through multiple MTAs. So in this diagram, the user agent prepares an envelope containing the message. The MTA client will send it to the MTA relay 1, and from there it goes to MTA relay 2, and so on, and later it goes to the server MTA and received by the user agent. So in a complex system which contains the mail transfer agent relays, multiple mail transfer agent relays inside the internet, also the SMTP can provide for sending and receiving the emails. The relaying system can also be used to send emails to users through mail gateway. So whenever two different networks have to be crossed by the email to reach the destination, the mail transfer agent of the gateway, mail gateway, will be used in order to exchange the message. The mail gateway is a relay MTA which can be used to receive and forward an email between two hybrid networks. So SMTP has the capability to send and receive email on a simple network or on a single network, to be more precise. It also has the capability to send and receive emails on a complex network system containing multiple MTA relays. And also it has the capability of sending emails through MTA mail gateways. Now coming to the working of SMTP, the first task in SMTP is composition of mail. A user sends an email by composing an electronic message using the user agent. We also call it as mail user agent. The mail user agent is a program which can be used to send and receive mail. The message prepared by the user agent contains two parts, body and the header. Body is the main part of the message, while header includes the sender and recipient address. The header also includes a descriptive information such as a short subject, which gives a hint of what is the message all about. The second step in SMTP is submission of mail. After composing the email, the mail client submits this email to the SMTP server using the SMTP protocol on the TCP port number 25. The third step is to deliver the mail. The email addresses contain two parts, username of the recipient and domain name. For example, if the email address is vivek@gmail.com, Vivek is the username of the recipient and gmail.com is the domain name. So using this email address, the mail will be delivered to the recipient. The fourth step is receipt and processing of mail. Once the incoming message is received, the Exchange server will deliver it to the mail delivery agent, which is an incoming server. This mail delivery agent will store the email till the user opens his mail ID and retrieves it. The fifth step in SMTP is to access and retrieve the email. The stored email in the mail delivery agent will be retrieved by the mail user agent. The mail user agent can access the message using the login and password for the email address. So these are the 5 steps followed in the SMTP. The first step is composition of the mail. Second step is submission of mail to the SMTP server. Third step is delivery of the mail to the mail delivery agent. The fourth step is storage of the email on the mail delivery agent. And the fifth step is the access and retrieval of mail by the mail user agent using his login ID and password. In this video, we learned the SMTP protocol of application layer in detail. Thank you.